Did you know that the word find or found in the past tense doesn't always relate to the location of something where you discovered something? Yesterday I was talking to a student who was going through some physiotherapy, and she was telling me about it. And I said, "How did you find your physiotherapy?" And she said, "Well, I was walking past it and I saw the sign for it, etc." So she thought that I was meaning, how did you know about the physiotherapist? But what I was actually asking was her opinion on the physiotherapy. What was her experience? So you can use the word find or found to describe or to ask about the person's opinion of something or their experience. So for example, you start using a new software, some new software, and someone says, "Hey, how do you find the software?" In other words, what do you think about it? What's your experience? You're using a new platform, streaming platform. You're moving to, Apple TV, and you've been using Netflix all this time. Hey, how do you find Apple TV? How does it compare? Okay. A restaurant. You go to a restaurant, a brand new restaurant in town, and if someone says to you, "Hey, how did you find that restaurant?" Now, it could mean two things. It could mean, how did you get there? Did you use SatNav to get yourself there? Or, what was your experience? What did you think of the food, the ambience? How were the staff treating you? So it means, what was your experience of something? So find and found has more than one meaning. Take care. Bye-bye.